If you're heading to your first autocross, congrats. You're about to have a blast. But before you hit the cones, you've got to pack the right gear. Nothing kills a vibe faster than realizing you forgot your helmet, or your torque wrench, or your lunch. So today I'm breaking down the essential autocross packing list, starting with the absolute must-haves and building up to a full pro-level kit. So let's get you dialed in. So let's start with the bare minimum. If you only bring these items, you'll survive the day. Driver's license and registration. This is obvious, but it's easy to forget. You'll need both at check-in and maybe even at tech. Helmet. Most events require a Snell-rated helmet. Most clubs have loaners, but they also, they've got a smell. So check your club's rules, but don't show up with your old dirt bike lid. Buy your own if you can, and it's safer if it fits. Tire pressure gauge. This is crucial for tuning grip and making sure your tires last the day without chunking. Tire pressure is the autocross Swiss Army knife. Painter's tape for your car number and maybe protecting different things on your car. Water and snacks. It's a long day outside. Bring twice the amount of water you think you need. The bottom line, dehydration equals slower times, and hangry, that means mistakes. Chair and sunscreen. You'll spend more time working the course or waiting than driving, and comfort matters. Cash or card. Some clubs don't take mobile payments, so always bring a backup. Weather appropriate clothing. Check the weather the night before and pack to be comfortable. Make sure your shoes have good grip. So racing shoes or sturdy athletic sneakers or something like that, they work really well. Window cleaner. So clear visibility is the key to performance. Keeping your windows spotless with a good quality cleaner ensures you'll never miss a detail on track. Lastly, mindset. Beyond all the physical items, the two most critical tools you can have are a good attitude and a willingness to learn. Autocross is as much about self-improvement as it is speed. So keep an open mind, stay positive, and be ready to adapt and grow with every single run. Now, if you've got these, you're good to go. So once you've been to a few events, you'll realize that the essentials quickly turn into, how did I ever survive without these? So at that point, you can probably start adding a few of these things. A tire inflator or portable compressor. This is perfect for adjusting pressures between runs. A torque wrench. Check your lug nuts before and after runs. Magnetic numbers. Give you a cleaner look, reusable, and it's kind of a pro level flex. Basic toolkit. Screwdrivers, pliers, sockets, gloves. You'll never know what's going to come loose out there. Foldable table or something like that. This will keep everything organized in the paddock. A cooler with drinks. So water's good, but a cold Gatorade after a run just totally hits different. Notebook or a pen. Track your times, track your tire pressures, track what worked and what didn't. At this level, you'll look like you've been doing this for years. People will start asking you for tools, which is either flattering or it could be annoying. Okay, now for the full set. This is the I'm in deep and I absolutely love it setup. So a lightweight floor jack and jack stands. If you're swapping tires or checking suspension, you'll probably need these. Race tires with dedicated wheels. This goes along with the first one. If you're serious about times, this is a complete game changer. Maybe a pop-up canopy, because sometimes in some regions, shade is worth its weight in gold. A battery jump pack, because someone always leaves their fan running or their lights on or something like that. Tire chalk or pyrometer. These are for checking tire wear and tire temps like a pro. Pump style garden sprayer. You might notice folks spraying down their tires in between runs. This is to manage tire temperature and maintain maximum grip. An action camera with GoPro mounts. This helps you review your runs and also helps you flex on YouTube or TikTok or whatever you're using. Rain gear, because Mother Nature doesn't care about your comfort or your run time. Be ready for anything because autocross is rain or sun. Spare fluids, so oil, brake fluid, washer fluid, etc. So at this point, you're not just attending autocross, you're hosting a mobile pit lane. But trust me, having everything on hand means you focus on what matters, and that's driving faster. So here's a bonus. What not to bring to autocross. Number 1, a full socket set that weighs 43 pounds. You're not rebuilding an engine in the lot, just relax. A full race suit. Unless you're cosplaying as an IMSA driver for TikTok, save it. A giant cooler full of energy drinks. 1, sure. 14, congratulations, your heart is now running the STU class. Your entire friend group. They will get bored, they will wander, they'll each beg for the next ride along. Bring 1 or 2 friends max, preferably ones that don't eat snacks every 20 minutes. Your dog. I love dogs, but your dog doesn't want to sit in 90-degree sun while Mustangs eat cones. Leave your pets at home unless you can provide a safe and comfortable place for the little guys. So here's a few tips before you go. Pack your gear the night before. Morning brain forgets things. I like to keep everything in a 27-gallon black and yellow tote. Make a checklist or a packing list. Literally print one out and throw it in the glove box or in the tote. Because nothing is more embarrassing than showing up ready to slay cones and you realize your helmet's still sitting on the workbench. So pack smart. Leave the nonsense at home. Bring the gear that matters, the attitude that learns, and the excitement that keeps you coming back. And welcome to Autocross. You're gonna love it here. If you found this helpful, hit like and drop your must-have autocross gear in the comments. I guarantee you there's something that I forgot to say that'll save somebody's day. So I'm Sam from Downshift Garage, reminding you that it's not about showing off your car, it's about driving it. And I'll see you at the next event.